Who's every ship?
Eh?
Who's every ship?
Bro, no, listen.
Who's every ship?
The pilot. No.
Living legend living. Me and my friend them winning close. As I murder the kicks them killing. Watch him them see.
What it is, what it do. When y'all see these faces, y'all know it's who. And today, we're here with a video, right? This nigga on his phone. We're here. We're gonna play some Jamaican charades.
Jamaican charades.
Yeah, see that right there, so? Make it focus up. You see there? Some Jamaican charades. So for all like Jamaican, them with big up on themselves, Americans, y'all gonna see we have a lot of videos. Words that Americans say that we in Jamaica say different and shit. Well, I know him, me and some buds, his name gonna be right, that's all.
Me them up a prank, cause you me have on this. The ear not doing right now, so it's
I'm a brother that I don't know Chopa.
Number one choper, the girl them duper.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Alright, so we're starting off with Patwa. Yes, eat. See there, see focus up there. He gets 60 seconds. Words and phrases.
To the more second, ready?
The next word. You can't do that.
Nah, sit down right now.
That's something you can't do, brother.
Nah, do that, you know. Yo, yard man them they're not do it to front.
Eat the buff.
No.
No.
Say bonava heated or you bracket.
So you're not do it to front.
And I eat. And different word.
And not eat, man.
Yard word, man. No,
No,
man.
brother, man.
Yard word, man.
Yam.
Brother, right now, I'm gonna sit down on it.
Ends.
No, man. You sit down on it.
What you look like? The king man, where they sit down on?
Fuck.
The king sit down on, brother.
Yeah,
The king in the street.
You say yo, me there on the toilet, me sit down on it.
Bonava that.
The fucking man.
Why
Class
is that
again?
still?
Fucking class again?
Brother,
Yeah?
you there?
Sure.
Yeah.
Boom. Another word for
Yeah,
bomba.
I just say it now.
Another word for bomba.
You can probably say it to an appearance and then I say no.
Damn, Ras.
No. Yeah, close.
Close.
Rascal.
No, right.
Brother, that's not the appearance.
So you not trouble later. Yeah, trouble there, you want.
Oh, brother. Shit. Them ask it. Right.
You good?
Yeah.
Damn.
Jamaican.
What Americans want to know if it talk.
But what?
Yeah.
You get phone? You get pin?
No.
No.
Panagal?
Another word for something like.
DJ Khaled. Where are we say?
One other one?
Yeah. Oh.
I will put one like
Brother.
this over.
Yeah, enjoy the ship, but are you ready?
You see that?
No, brother.
I don't get this from.
You enjoy the ship, but you ready?
Who's every ship?
Eh?
Who's every ship?
Bro, no, listen.
Who's every ship?
The pilot. No.
Brother.
Ship man, where money?
Man,
The ship man. You see that?
No, brother. Get that?
No, man. Yo,
Man,
tell them back play.
Brad.
Well, let's go to Jamaica. What next word for Jamaica?
Yard.
No, man.
Another one.
Country.
When the Rasta man they call him, I got.
Town.
Eh?
No, man.
No, man. Yard man. Yard man. Yard Rasta man come up here. And them say, yo, you go back to Jamaica. But where Yard man, where Rasta man they call it? Bob Marley and them man, where they want to call Jamaica?
Yard.
No, brother.
Man. I see Jamaica.
Motherland.
No, brother.
I see it start like Jamaica. The word start like Jamaica.
Babylon.
What?
I jam down.
Brother, every day, granny,
Every Sunday.
every
Market.
Yeah. Oh. Yo, that's enough for me.
That's not my.
Me not care about that, you know. And I'm like,
Picnic.
business.
Brother, you know
Right
yourself.
now, me deep one.
Go all the way.
Right,
all the
that's
way.
all. Now,
No. We're there on the ends. It's like another word for saying there on the ends.
Alright, you depend on ends and a girl forward there where you not too rate. Right now, you don't really want.
yeah.
Close.
Yeah.
Back up. Yeah.
Shout it out.
Yeah, man.
The
Me
back.
like this, no.
What
What can I go on for?
Go on,
You look good for me, you know.
Yeah,
So just
Jimmy.
Yeah. Wait, alright.
You feel
No. Wait. Conductor, money up, where people them be. Money up.
You sit down if you're not in a driver's seat, where you sitting at?
Passenger.
Yeah.
Me tip two go circle.
Security.
Yeah.
Bomba, king of dancehall.
Beanie man.
Take off your man.
Beanie.
Bomba,
You
if
see
you don't
the
remember, you know. What me do? If me not remember,
Marvel?
no, if me not remember,
forget.
yeah. Bomba, come
Where
back your name.
Trooper.
No, man.
The girl
Yeah,
you want. But you're fired.
Troops.
Yeah.
Dog, the top.
If I'm a female now,
Fimi.
yeah.
Brother.
But yo, if you not go upstairs, where you go?
Down.
Yeah.
Brother.
Aye, he bullet.
Where Rasta man then call it?
Fire!
Yeah. Yo, that girl I take man fit.
Idiot.
No man. The girl that take
Clown.
No,
No
man.
man.
Crafty.
No man. Joke thing.
She take me fit.
You know
The
the
girl that take me hour.
I think
where plot them popcorn up in the head?
Granny Plat.
No man, we call
Where would I
him.
call it?
No man, we call him plot them.
Brother, the girl take me a
Charlie.
puppy show.
Papi show. What, man?
That the girl there.
Nah, I say
Look.
sense.
No.
She whip.
Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
She pin up.
No man, the
Me
girl.
a cook, you know.
She cook.
When you cook, what you do? When you cook some
Mix up.
Yeah.
teacher have to make mash it up, sir.
Yeah, ma.
Yeah.
Brother.
Beg some now?
Oh,
Beg.
No man.
English ref.
Beggy.
No man.
No.
Share.
More for some.
Ask.
Yeah.
Yo, you know what I say, yo? You go in and me a come in.
You're going
What?
and
Him
you're
going
coming.
first and me a going.
After.
Yeah.
So we have to on YouTube.
Get up.
Oh, yeah.
Like you answer somebody.
Where want to do? No man. No.
Shock him.
Yeah.
Push it up.
I'm moving it out.
Yeah. If you know the body from over there, that's it. I'm mine.
They can't talk.
My phone.
No. I'm mine.
Yeah, you can't call the phone now.
My paper.
No,
No.
I know a word. I like
Like a something. Like you answer.
They
I'm
can't
mine.
talk though.
My thing.
Something else.
My shoes.
Something from Mobby. Well, I'm a Mobby person. What I say? Our country.
Am I sitting?
Something like that. Something like that.
Close.
If you're not guess it, just push it down.
I don't know.
Push it down.
Put the.
What was
Yeah,
it?
push it down.
This is on your foreign. What? I don't know that one. Oh.
Roll now.
No.
Much over there?
No. Like
No. No.
something like that. Yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
They are close. No.
Closer.
Something like where they say a while ago.
No phone. No.
Something like that close.
What are we?
Close.
Close.
What are you?
No. Something with it.
No.
You don't know?
No.
Ah,
Put it up.
no.
But
All the
that was
way.
all away.
Oh.
We hungry.
Ah, we are hungry, brother. Yeah.
Where man never plant pan land?
Oh.
The man never dig up the land, man.
Yard,
No man never plant. Yard where feet.
farmer.
Yeah.
Over there.
Runway. Hey girl them, Instagram girl them.
Muggle.
Yeah. Old man them like you're at their country and then say
Manas Joe.
close.
Close.
Like I said, no yeah. Where the Rasta man them, anytime I call them this them vex.
Jet.
Yeah. Oh,
Jabo.
No, put up
No.
your. Put up your.
Oh,
Put up your.
no, I'll show it.
Adamant.
Put up your. Put up your.
Jazz.
No.
The English
Put up
way.
your.
Trousers.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it's a
Juke
juke.
me.
It's a joke you and he black.
You know
Juke
you
out.
you walk.
You walk,
and
you like
it's a juke you.
Maka.
Yeah.
Oh,
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 pick it up.
drink it up.
Yo,
Oh shit.
if I not my one this
Beam.
no,
No.
me just come here and say yo.
Upa.
Yeah.
Oh. Yo, why I never yet listen? Yo,
Also there, yeah. Oh,
What are we are?
how we say?
Family.
Yeah.
Yaga.
Well, another name of them called Billy Man.
Me sick. Where me I
He
go?
said, he always say,
Everybody dance.
No,
No.
No, Yaga.
Where me I
You're
go?
sick. Where you go?
Doctor.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Where me I do this?
Beat it on the
No,
ground.
no.
Drop it.
No. Put on.
I don't know what that is.
Me and Yawa.
Brother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
I need some of friend
Yeah.
to make way.
Call me quick.
Party, link up.
Yeah. Alright, Jamaica, yeah, just a talk so.
Yeah,
I just say,
you say
but
what?
then now say them attack, take
Yeah.
favor.
Stop.
No man, like after them attack,
Yeah,
them
me
attack.
a reason.
Yeah,
You
but-
you understand me?
Yeah, man.
No man.
Mm.
But me go so.
You understand.
Alright man, them say yo, me go so boom. And just give and say same thing.
Man.
You understand what man I say?
Repeat.
No, like the man I say, yo. You get me I say?
Yeah, man.
Power feet.
Yes.
See me.
Ah.